the 𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐫 product reviews. This is a review of the OYEAL soda can organizer. Looks like a party. Doesn't look too difficult. We can do this. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. We want to make sure that we have the connected notches inside the center. Second one. All right, we're going to flatten out our connector, and we're going to go ahead and insert our tray. All right, we got the first one in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and connect the second one. Now we're going to go ahead and do that times 2. Works pretty amazingly. Now, one thing that is awesome is that it actually has a little connector on the bottom where it actually fits inside the holes so that it gives it a little bit more stability, which is pretty awesome. Now, surprisingly enough, this one doesn't just work for soda cans, but it also works for regular cans as well. Now, with the regular cans, when you're rolling them off the top, sometimes it'll get caught on the side here. But if you are doing, say, like enchilada sauce cans or soup cans, these actually go in perfectly. So those work really great as well. So this one here is definitely a great buy for being able to get 2 racks for the price and being able to store either your sodas or your canned goods. This one's a no-brainer. Click the link below now for the best pricing. Grab your deal and enjoy your purchase.
Subscribe now.